Hi everyone, we're working on Violin 1's part of Lean on Me in this video. I'm going to play through one time and then I'll go back and break it down a little more. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and three and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 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 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Okay, that is the whole thing. Took me a few tries to get through that one. There's some tricky rhythms, so let's go back and look at them so we can figure them out a little bit. I'm going to play from the beginning to just before bar 9. It's a little slower so we can play along. That part sounds pretty good in class, so let's just get right into that one and then I'll break down the rest. A little slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so that part is pretty good, like I said. The next part, that's where our trickier rhythms come in. So I want to make sure that you match your notes to where mine are going. Fingers crossed, I'm going to be playing it all right, so your notes should also be with the, playing the same rhythm that I'm playing. That's where it's getting a little bit tricky. So I'm going to start the 3 notes before 9 because that's the start of the new phrase. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 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 2 and stopping there. Woo! Okay, that's a big chunk there. We repeat it. The first time through, you play the first ending, which is the notes underneath the little bracket there that says 1, and then the second time through you skip, after the first ending you would go back to bar 9 and start again to do the repeat, and when you came through again you would skip the first ending, go right to the second ending, which happens to be a bar of rest. That's pretty easy. Okay, going on to 26. Here we go. Oh, and just before I get there, at 34 I'm going to be playing the part on the bottom, and I will go back and play the solo part afterwards. 26. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Boys and girls, please stop.
Okay, continuing now at 34. Pardon the interruption before. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, now the little top, the solo or soli, soli just means that it's a couple people, a few people playing the little solo part, sounds like this at 34. 1 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, I made a little bit of a mess there. Sorry about that. But you get it. I'll play it one more time just in case. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay. Woo! There we go. That is quite the song. But because you are most likely familiar with this, with the real original version, it will make your life a little bit easier. Sorry for the little bit of a rough interruption in the middle there. We'll do what we can. We're just flexible. Just make sure that you're watching your rhythms, especially between bars 9 and 16. That's where it's especially tough. I think actually I'm going to go back to bar 9 to 16 and play it again even slower so that you can try and play along there. I'm going to start 3 notes before bar 9. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 okay, that's it, first violins. Happy practicing and good luck.